Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper or the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and once you see it, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the airplane. And this is the airplane mode icon. If you want to enable the airplane mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message airplane mode on. The icon will get highlighted, will change the color. And also, if you go back to watch face, you will see the icon of the airplane appear right here at the top of the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon right here. You will see airplane mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.